Welcome guys, this is optimerfx. So on my screen now you see that I am trading volatility 10 index. Volatility 10 index. I am on sale on volatility 10 index. So if you look at the screen now, you see that the trades are still running. The 4 entries are still running. You don't understand? Now the question is, why am I on sale? Why am I on sale on volatility 10 index? Why am I on sale on volatility 10 index? Now I will take you to the chart so that you will see the reason why I am on sale on volatility 10 index. So let's go to the charts. So here is the charts. You see the indicator I'm using here is ADS. I'm using ADS indicator. That's the only indicator I'm using. Now the question is, why am I on sale? Now before I show you why I'm on sale, let me explain something to you. How to make use of ADS. How to make use of what? ADX and make excess profit. Now on the side of ADS, you will see there are two lines of ADS, the green line and the red line of ADS. The green line of ADS and the red line of ADS. Now whenever you see the green line of ADS above, that is what? Uptrend. Now when you see the red line of ADX above, that is what? Downtrend. So in this case you see that from this point of crossing, look at where the green line of ADS crosses the red line of ADS. So for you to track this, you need to make your entry here. So this is for buy. You need to make your entry. This is where the crossing occurs, so you need to make your entry here. Do you understand? And when you make your entry here, this is what a lot of profit for you. This is what excess profit for you. As you see it. If you enter sell from here, if you enter buy position from here, you see that you will be in a huge profit. Now let's proceed. Now watch. This is the reason why I am on sale. This is what the reason why I am on sale. If you check now, you see that the red line of ADS crosses the green line. This is where the crossing occur. Here. So this is what a sell signal. That's the reason why I am on sale. Do you understand? That's the reason why I am on sale. So if you trace it up, this is where I make my sell entry. Do you understand? This is where I make my what? Sell entry. Why here is my stop loss. Do you understand? So from this point of crossing, look at it. From this point of crossing, look at it. This point of crossing where the red line of ADS crosses the green line. Do you understand? So this is what a sell signal. That is why I am on sale. So if you check, you see that the market is still what? Reading. Are you seeing it? The market is still what? Reading. So I will hold the market until it gets to about $500 profit before closing the market. Are you seeing it? Now let me show you the settings for this average directional movement index. The average directional movement index. Here are what the settings. The period is 100. Then the style, you choose the color as what? As the same as a what? Screen background. Do you understand? Then the plus DI is what? Green color, while the minus DI is what? Red color. So that is all about what you need to set up average directional movement index indicator and do what? And make a massive profit. Are you seeing it? So you see that the profit is still reading. The profit is still what? Reading. So that is it. That is it. So from here you now understand why I am on sale. Do you understand? This is volatility 10 index. The time frame is 1 hour time frame. Do you understand? So from here now you will see, when you look at the chart, you see that there is a kind of support to where it is now. There's a kind of a support to where it is now. So look at it. Look at these two. Look at this point. Look at this point. So the reason why I'm on sale. Do you understand? So this is OPTIMER. All the strategies on this channel, I use them to make my trades. Are you seeing it? You see the profit is still reading. Alright, if you like the video, hit the subscribe button. Thank you.